So what we have here is a 991.2 and it's the Endurance Racing edition. So I love it in this Motorsport white with the black wheels. Very low mileage example. Black highlights on the mirror caps. Endurance Racing graphics, and this one is lovely. I really like this, and it is a PDK. It's got all the knobs and buttons you could ever want in there. 17,000 miles, and it's just that bit more jazzy and sporting than a regular one, if you can believe that. And this car shares the rear steering with the GT3 cars, so just works that noticeably better on track. And then it's got lots of little detail. Porsche Endurance Racing. How nice is that? Now we can organise funding for a lot of these, subject to status and all that stuff, but again, superb thing to be putting away, enjoying, and a real driver's car, that. Love it. Does look good, doesn't it? Look at that.